Welcome everyone in today's video. In today's video we will learn some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's see sentences. Today's video's first sentence is तिच्याकडे दुर्लक्ष कर. तिच्याकडे दुर्लक्ष कर. Ignore her. Ignore her. ती ते मुद्दाम करत आहे. She is doing that intentionally. She is doing that intentionally. पैशाची काळजी करू नको. Don't worry about money. Don't worry about money. मी आहे. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेव. Trust me. Believe me. Believe me. तुला तिच्याबद्दल काहीच माहित नाही. You nothing know about her. You nothing know about her. मला सगळं माहित आहे. I know everything. I know everything. तिचे लग्न झाले आहे. She's married. She's married. तिला 2 मुली आहेत. She has 2 daughters. She has 2 daughters. तू तिला भेटलेली आहे का? Have you met her? Have you met her? नाही. No. हो, मी तिला भेटलेली आहे. Yes, I have met her. Yes, I have met her. ती माहिती गोळा करते. She gathers information. She gathers information. हे आज पूर्ण नाही होऊ शकत. This can't complete today. This can't complete today. प्रयत्न कर. Try. Try. प्रयत्नासारखे काहीच नाही. Nothing like try. Nothing like try. तू करू शकतेस. You can do this. You can do this. तू चांगलं काम करत आहेस. You're doing good work. You're doing good work. तू आनंदी व्हायला पाहिजे. You should be happy. You should be happy. लक्षात ठेव. Remember. Remember. काहीच अशक्य नाही. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. मी इथे बसू शकते का? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? मी तुला इथे बसू देणार नाही. I will not let you sit here. I will not let you sit here. मला कंटाळा आलाय. I'm tired. I'm tired. आपण आता निघायला पाहिजे. We should leave now. We should leave now. नाहीतर आपल्याला उशीर होईल. Otherwise we will be late. Otherwise we will be late. हे एवढं सोपं नाही. It's not so easy. It's not so easy. काय सांगू तुला? What tell you? What tell you? तू काल यायला पाहिजे होतं. You should have come yesterday. You should have come yesterday. मी त्याला विनंती केली नाही. I didn't request him. I didn't request him. माझ्याकडे काही पुस्तके विकण्यासाठी आहेत. I have some books to sell. I have some books to sell. मी पण त्याच मार्गाने जात आहे. I'm also going that way. I'm also going that way. मी तुला सोडेन. I will drop you. I will drop you. तो खूप बोलका आहे. He is very talkative. He is very talkative. ती खूप शांत आहे. She is very calm. She is very calm. हे सगळं मला सांगू नको. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. मला व्यत्यय आणू नको. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मी अगोदरच वैतागलेली आहे. I'm already disturbed. I'm already disturbed. कोणालाही सांग. Tell anyone. Tell anyone. मी कोणालाही घाबरत नाही. I do not fear anyone. I do not fear anyone. हे तू का करत आहे? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? हे तुझं काम आहे का? Is this your work? Is this your work? तिचं तिला करू दे. Let her do. Let her do. खिडकी उघडू नको. Don't open the window. Don't open the window. काय झालं? तुला राग का आला? What happened? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Hearty thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you have subscribed this channel. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.